Well, g'day everyone. Welcome back to Heroes Model Bench, episode 5, which is actually really episode 4 because I'm lost episode 3. So let's get the introduction done and get stuck into it. Well, alright. Still a bit of a sexy voice, a bit croaky, but 100% negative. So I'm happy. No more COVID. Like I said, this is episode 5, but it's really episode 4 because I've lost episode 3. So this episode, we'll be looking at doing sections 19, 20, and 21. So it should be quite a short video. What's that? Oh, I can hear you all cheering. So I'll get over onto the model bench and I'll just give you a bit of a look at what we need to do for these. All it really is doing another bit of cabinetry, a little cupboard with a sink and another cabinet. Well, it's actually just installing that one cabinet, so it's only really 2 parts. So I'll talk to you all soon. Okay, so welcome back. So part 19, I need to paint this little piece here. It's got a little door on it, so that's the same as on these parts. It's going to be the same colour. The rest of this part has to be that same brown. This is also that same brown, the whole thing. And these parts here, that they have to be a grey, but they also have a decal on them. So it just must be these parts at the front that are grey. And I can't remember what I've used paint wise. Or might it be buff even? No, this will be black. I might paint those black. Let's take a quick look at what I did. What was it? S? It's S? Yeah, so that'll be black. Alright, so now what I'm doing, know what I'm doing now. So what I do with this is just mask it up, just so that little bit there's covered to start with. So just get a bit of the icky sticky. Great stuff. Alright, so there we go. It's all masked up. Ready for the dark brown, red brown paint to go on there. Red brown paint to go on this. So once that's all done, and I'll wait till I get this done, I'll do the black along the sides here and also on the sides there. Once I've done all that, I'll come back and we can have a quick look at it. Okay, so welcome back. Second test, negative. So 2 tests in 2 days equal negative. I'm pretty sure I'm negative. So yay! So what I'm up to now is I've just got to wait for this to dry. This little the door part here, the lighter colour. And then I'm just going to give it a bit of a clear coat, because then I have to put on a couple of decals. So the decals I have to put on for this is, you won't see it, but this one here. And there you can just see this round shape, just goes around the outside of the door there. And then also decal 27 and 26. So that one and that one. So those 2 there. So I've got to put those on, and then I'll be able to connect all this together. And then I suppose I can go ahead now and start making. Sorry, there's a decal that needs to go on here. I'm just trying to find it. This one, okay. Suppose right now while I'm waiting for this to dry, I can go ahead and make the little basin. This has got a few little logos on it, so let's have a look what they are. One's obviously glue, one's obviously paint. So what have we got? glue, paint, allow parts to dry. Well, gee, thanks for that. And soak and apply decals. I would say that choose a decal fix. Recommend for affixing decals. There we go. So I'll do that. So just put these over here for the time being. Alright, so now I need to get R and Q again. Sprue R, sprue Q. So this is Q. I'm tipping it'll be this one. This one here that I'll need. Maybe not. Q161. Yep, it is this one. One 162. Looks to be this sink. Alright, so that one has to be painted K. Because it's a sink, it would be, oh no, it's a white. Do we want to do a white sink? Or do we want to do a silver sink? Typically do a silver sink, eh? Yep, silver. We'll do silver. Or aluminium. What do we got? We'll do gold. Metallic grey, there we go. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. So I'll get back, I'll do all this, put all this together, and I'll come back. Alright, so welcome back. So there we have pretty much the interior finished. Just give myself a little bit of a clip with the Corona bottle. But we've got the sink put in, and we've got the both seats put in. We have the main wall put in, or bulkhead, the driver's seats. But what I want to do is I actually found those parts that I thought I'd lost. But I have gone over them with my seat. So I've smashed them both, but I believe I've got them all made up properly, apart from this one little bit here. Oops. So I'm meant to have, I could probably use a bit of styrene, but I'm meant to have this little, that little bit there on here. So I'm going to see if I can work this out and get it all fixed up. So for that I need to find the A sprue. So let me just see if I can find that and I'll come back. Alright, so there we go. That's completed. I hope you all had a good Christmas. It's Christmas Day yesterday, but it won't be when you actually watch this. So the bit of fixing I've done seems to have worked. Not 100% sure, but that's the way it sits, so you're not going to see it. But yeah, so that's that done. So now all I've got to do into the rest of this video is to mark off. Let's move this over here. Oh shit, I don't want to break anything. Alright, it's to mark off part 19, part 20, 21. Now I'm just going to do part 22, which you can see here. I'm pretty sure you can see it. Just putting on the wheels and the tyres and everything. So I have done the wheels that way. So let's just put one together. Not that you really need to see this, because I'm pretty sure you all know how to put tyres and wheels on. Well, if you do cars, you do. If you do ships and never do cars, you probably don't. Let's get a little bit of sprue nub off. Very successful day yesterday with Christmas presents. I did miss a few phone calls, so I'll have to give them a call back, i.e. Peter and Jason. So that's how they go. So it looks like I do need to put a bit of glue. It's pretty obvious to me. Fuck. Okay, I'll be back. So welcome back. See, I've done a Peter. So I need a new cutting mat shortly. I'll have to send an order to Monique. So that fucking stinks. So there's your fucking wheel. Yeah, I'll be back soon. You fuckwits. Okay, so welcome back. Now we have the wheels on, and the tyres, and the hubcaps. They look pretty bloody good. So now, all that's left to do for this video is to put the upper and the lower together. So let's just put, piss off, a little bit of glue in here, in here, in here, and let's put this, probably going to get copyrighted because you might be able to hear the music in the background. Let's just put that together, and that is the end of episode 5 or whatever this episode is. So I might just need to put something a bit heavy on that, just so it goes in properly, which I might even do. A little bit of this Revell quick glue in there. What is it? Okay, I'm taking this label off. I find it to be very good little glue, that. The second time I've used it, the first time it just totally stuffed up on me. Well, there we go. So that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. If you like the video, obviously like it. If you don't have to. I'm not going to come hunting you. Subscribe to the channel. I'm starting to get a few more subscribers after the unboxing of the USS, I can't even think, Curtis Wilbur. So in about 6 weeks, 8 weeks time, that will be having a start made on that. I will be using outlaw paints because Jason made me feel like a bit of a prick by not using it, but that's all good. So anyway, please enjoy your day. Boxing Day, like I said, here in Australia, probably 3 weeks after Boxing Day, and I'll probably 3 weeks time. What was it? Go back to work Friday, second Friday, third Friday. Yep, I would have had my operation by the time you see this. So yeah, make sure to check out Simon_shoulder_replacement if you're interested in seeing how I go after my shoulder reconstruction or replacement. So yeah, but just so you know, the next episode we're going to be starting to do. We've got some stairs to put in, some curtains. I can put decals on if I want to, or I can just paint them. So they'll all go in on the inside of the. It's actually taking shape. Don't think I have it finished by the time I go back to work on Friday. So still have another 42 parts to go. Alright, anyway, I'll talk to you all soon.